Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to a PDF. So first of all, we're going to have ready our image. In my case, I'm going to have this one that is a beautiful sunset and our example. It is good to convert a file to PDF because it makes them smaller in size. In many places, only PDF files are accepted. It is a good file for presentations and it's a universal format. Now we're going to go to our browser, in my case Google Chrome, and we're going to search Google Docs. We are going to click on Google Docs and this is easier than it looks like. Let's click on blank document and this is where it's going to appear. Now we're going to go to insert and we're going to look for a picture. Here we're going to click on image, upload from computer, and I know that I have my picture in my desk. Double click and now we have the picture in the document. Here we can fit the picture as we want. Now you're going to click on file and here download. You can see that you have different options, but we're going to use PDF. Click on PDF and the photo will load. Now in the upper right part it will show when the PDF is ready. Let's click on it and it will take us to the new format. Now we have our PDF, let's open it. And as I told you before, it is a new format and it works for many platforms that only use PDF. Of course, you can change the name. I'm going to change the name of mine. I'm going to use Picture Example PDF. And now you have this PDF in your computer. You can use it as many times as you want. Don't forget that this process can be done in a computer or a phone. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.